Good morning and afternoon science classes. Today's objective from the school-wide expectation is where we're going to start. We're on to A for accountability in our SOAR expectations. Since it is Thursday, students will be able to take responsibility for their actions, especially in the school setting relative to established codes of conduct. We're going to be taking a look at whether everyone can make mistakes and what it means to not let one page define your entire book. So we're going to be taking a look at those two things today, going into the student handbook and taking a look at specifically concepts of the PBIS guidelines for our class. We'll increase the magnification so that you can read it. We'll be reviewing the questions, what do each of the letters stand for in the SOAR expectations? I think we're pretty much experts on that at this point, and how we can use hero points at Neal. There is a linked video related to that. Our video is Hold Yourself Accountable, and so I'm going to be pulling that up right after this intro here. Before I move on to those activities, I do also want to reference, I'm going to replay yesterday's intro from Lego NEWAIM so that we can review what we're working on in our science curriculum, that Build a Hut lab. I know you guys started it yesterday. We shared out documents. We're kind of starting to move on that. We'll move on to that after we do our school-wide accountability activities for today. And so I will replay that video after we get through the accountability stuff so we can be reminded of what we're working on with the Build a Hut and move on to those activities as well. So a lot going on today in the calendar, a lot going on today in science class, and so hopefully we can get through it all and we can have a great day. So happy Thursday. Oh, and two things I wanted to mention. One, I changed the schedules. If you didn't hear that, I changed the schedules in our classroom so that they're all 2 minutes off so that they actually match the clock, to try to make things easier. And because we had a pencil sharpener, but it got taken down, probably because it didn't have the actual proper cover on it, got us one of these. I have not plugged it in yet because I want to make sure that we can agree that we're all going to be respectful of the electric pencil sharpener and not break it. We're going to treat it properly. If there's an issue with it, we'll go ahead and let myself or whoever the sub in class may be know so that we can try to get that fixed. So I do want to review that. That bell was here in the video. It is not a live bell in class. So just wanted to touch on those things. Now I'm going to turn it over to the video of our accountability for today. We're going to move on with class. Thanks so much. Happy Thursday.